Hello everyone, myself HIMANI Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the respiratory disease, a comprehensive overview. Introduction to respiratory disease. The presentation aims to provide a comprehensive overview of respiratory disease. We will explore their causes, symptoms and treatment options. Understanding this disease is crucial for early diagnosis and effective management. Types of respiratory disease. Respiratory disease can be classified into obstructive, destructive, and infectious categories. Understanding these classifications help in recognizing the specific challenges each type presents, leading to better treatment strategies. Causes of the respiratory disease. The causes of respiratory disease are diverse, including the environmental factors, genetic predispositions, and lifestyle choice. Identifying these causes is essential for prevention and intervention efforts. Common symptoms. Symptoms of respiratory disease often include the coughing, shortness of breath, and chest pain. Recognizing these symptoms early can lead to timely medical attentions and improve outcomes. Diagnosis technique. Diagnosis of the respiratory disease typically involve the physical examination, imaging test, and lung function test. These methods are vital for determining the severity and the types of the disease. Treatment option. Treatment for respiratory disease may include the medications, therapy, and lifestyle changes. The approaches depend on the specific disease and its severity, aiming to the elevate symptoms and improve quality of life. Preventive measures. The preventive measures for respiratory disease include the vaccinations, avoiding the polluant, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. These strategies are essential for reducing the risk of developing the respiratory issue. Impact on the quality life. Respiratory disease can significantly affect the person's quality of life. Symptoms may limit daily activities and lead to the psychosocial issue. Understanding understanding these impact is crucial for the comprehensive care. Recent research advances. The recent in the respiratory disease has focused on innovative treatment and early detection method. These advances hold the promise for the improving patients' outcome and reducing the mortality rates. Next is the global prevalence. Respiratory disease are a leading causes of the morbidity worldwide. Understanding their global prevalence helped in formulating effective public health strategies and resources allocation. Next is the future of respiratory disease management lies in personalized medicine, genetic research, and public health initiatives. These directions aim to enhance the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of respiratory condition. Next is the conclusion. In the conclusion, respiratory disease pose the significant health challenges. A comprehensive understanding of their causes, symptoms, and treatment is essential for effective management is essential for the and improve the patient outcomes. In today's class, I discuss about the respiratory disease. Thank you for watching.